From the given records, from the given receipt and payment account, and additional information of Premier Club for the year ended 31st March 2019, prepare income and expenditure account. Prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2019 and the balance sheet as on date. And the balance sheet as on date. What they are given here? Receipt and payment account of Premier Club for the year ended 31st March 2019. They are given receipt and payment. Balance brought down. Receipt and payment account, it is nothing but cash book. Balance brought down 1,61,800. Donation, subscription. They are given 3 years 2018, 19, 20. Then interest received. Interest received 39,400. Then payment side, what they are given the payment side? Payment side by furniture and equipment 2 lakh. The furniture purchased on 1/10/2018. Salary 1,24,000. Balance carried down 1,37,200. 1,37,200. Here they are given the additional information. What are the additional information? On 1st April 2018, the club had the following balance of assets and liabilities. Furniture and equipment 3,60,000 as on when 2018 1st April. Subscription in arrear 30,000 and outstanding salary 26,000. The second point, charge depreciation on furniture and equipment 10%. The club had 90 members, 90 members, each paying an annual subscription of rupees 2,000. It's some over what they are asking. Here they are asking to prepare income and expenditure account as well as balance sheet. Will be prepare income and expenditure account and balance sheet. Right. What they are given? Receipt and payment account. What they are given? Receipt and payment account. Okay, in receipt and payment account, whenever they are asking balance sheet, then look at the sum. If they are given the capital fund, if they are given capital fund, some very easy, directly to be prepared income and expenditure account. Here look at the adjustment, they are not given the capital fund. So that's why the first working, let me find out opening balance sheet. Will be prepare opening balance. How do we prepare the opening balance sheet? Listen, from the receipt and payment account, whatever they are given the opening balance, treated as opening cash in hand. Whatever they are given the closing balance, treated as closing cash in hand. Opening balance will be utilized but to prepare opening balance sheet. Closing balance will be utilized for to prepare closing balance. First will be prepare opening balance sheet. Opening balance sheet. How do we prepare? Here balance sheet as on 31st/3/2018. Liabilities. Let me mention the asset side. Cash in hand 1,61,800. Good. Next. So what are the other information here? Look at the additional information. In the additional information, here they are given. And 1st April 2018. And 1st April 2018, the club had following balance of assets and liabilities. So what are the balance of assets and liability are given? Furniture and equipment. Furniture and equipment is a fixed asset. Also, all the asset will be mentioned the asset side. That side will be mentioned the asset side. Which date? Here they are given the date 1st April 2018. It means 31st 3 2018. Furniture and equipment. Furniture and equipment 3,60,000. Next, subscription in arrears. Subscription in arrear. It means outstanding subscription. Subscription is a income. Arrear in subscription, it means outstanding subscription. It's asset for us. It asset. That's why it will be mentioned as asset side. Why? We have right to collect the outstanding subscription. All the rights to be treated as asset. That's why mentioned here 30,000. But the next one, outstanding salary. Outstanding salary. Outstanding salary is a responsibility. It's a liability. That's why it will be mentioned in the liability side. Outstanding salary. Outstanding salary. What is here? 26,000. The balance amount should be treated as capital fund. What is the total of asset? 3,60,000 plus 30,000 plus 1,61,800. Total asset 5,51,800. Total of liabilities only 26,000. The balance will be treated as capital fund. Opening balance sheet.
No, sir.
Good. So next, what is the next? Second working will be prepare income and expenditure account. Income and expenditure account with the help of receipt and payment account. Okay. How do we find out here? Donation, normal income will be considered. Subscription will be considered. But what is the rule? Income and expenditure account is an accrual basis. Always will be considered the current year income and the current year expenditure. Here they are given subscription 2017 and 18. It's related to the previous year. Don't consider. Then 2019-20. It's related to the next year. Don't consider. Will be considered only the current year. What is the current year? Current year subscription 1,40,000 will be considered. Then here they are given adjustment about the subscription. What they are given the adjustment? Here they are given adjustment. Club had 90 members. Each member payable 2,000. What is the total subscription? 90,000 into 2,000. 90,000 into 2,000. Can be prepared receipt and payment account, income and expenditure account, debit side, credit side. Income side will be mentioned subscription. Income side will be mentioned subscription. So what is the total amount here? Subscription receipt. Subscription receipt. Look at receipt and payment account. Will be considered only the current year. What is the current year? 1,40,000. How much amount received for current year? 1,40,000. 1,40,000. Then here, outstanding subscription. How do we find out the outstanding subscription? Listen, student, listen here. Total subscription. What is the total subscription? Total subscription 90 members into 2,000. Each member payable 2,000. 90 into 2,000. 1,80,000. Out of 1,80,000, we received only 1,40,000. So balance outstanding. Balance outstanding 1,80,000 minus 1,80,000. 1,80,000 minus 1,40,000 minus 1,40,000 Remaining outstanding 40,000. The total amount 1,80,000. Total amount 1,80,000. How do we find out? Very simple. In the sum, they are given number of members into each member subscription. Multiply by number of members into each member subscription. 90 into 2,000. You will get 1,80,000. Right. What else? Here, donation, no adjustment. Donation is a direct expenditure. Why? Because directly they are given donation. If any specific donation will be mentioned in the balance sheet liability side, generally they are given donation treated as general donation. Mention the income side 78,000. Then what are the others? Go through here. Here they are given interest received. Interest received 39,400. Interest received 39,400. Direct income to be considered here. Interest received 39,400. What else will be considered the payment? Here, any payment related to the revenue nature will be mentioned the income and expenditure. Suppose any payment related to the capital nature to be recorded in asset side. Furniture and equipment. Furniture and equipment is a fixed asset. To be recorded in where balance sheet. To be recorded in balance sheet. Salary. What is the value here? 1,24,000. To be recorded salary here. Salary is an expenditure. That's why we mention in the expenditure side salary. What is the value here? 1,24,000. Salary have adjustment. What is the adjustment? Salary. Listen here. They are given. On 1st April 2018, the club had the following assets and liabilities. Outstanding salary. The outstanding salary 26,000. It means the 26,000 outstanding salary outstanding in 2018. Here 2019 they are paid salary 1,24,000. Here would be deduct. Here would be deduct salary for 2018. Salary for 2018. Why would it be deduct? Because in income and expenditure account, can be recorded only the current year salary. Hit to 26,000 related to previous year, that should be deducted. So what the net salary? 1,24,000 minus 26,000 balance 98,000. Balance 98,000. So the next one here all the account is posted. Then would be consider the adjustment. In the adjustment here they are given charge on depreciation. Charge on depreciation on furniture and equipment. Furniture and equipment 10% each. Furniture and equipment 10%. How do we calculate? Listen, student, listen. What is the value for furniture and equipment? Furniture and equipment old value 3,60,000, right? 10%, 10 by 100 into 3,60,000. 3,60,000. What is the depreciation? 36,000. What is the depreciation? 36,000. Again, current year. Listen here, they are given current year. They purchased one more furniture and equipment value of 2 lakh. Here they are given special note, the purchase date when they are purchased 1/10/2018. When we prepare the income and expenditure account for the date of 31st March 2018. Listen, here we purchase one more furniture for rupees 2 lakh. For rupees 2 lakh on which date? 1/10/2018. Here we prepare the income and expenditure account on 31st 3 2019. It means the particular furniture, the value of 2 lakh furniture, it was utilized how many months? 10th month, 11th month, 12th month, then Jan to March. It means those furniture utilized only 6 months. How do we calculate that 6 month depreciation? 10 percentage. 10 by 100 into 2 lakh. 10 by 100 into 2 lakh. It was utilized only 6 months. That's why 6 by 12. That's why 6 by 12. What is the depreciation? 10,000. What is the depreciation? 10,000. Opening depreciation for the 3,60,000. 36,000. Here, additional furniture 10,000. Total 36,000 plus 10,000. 36,000 plus 10,000. 46,000. 46,000. Depreciation is an expenditure. That's why it will be mentioned in expenditure side. Depreciation. What is the value here? Can be calculate 46,000. How 46,000? 36,000 plus here 10,000. 6 month, right? So total 46,000. Here will be calculate. Here will be calculate the next one. What is the next one? Here will be find out surplus or deficiency. Surplus or deficiency. How do we calculate? Will be find out the total of debit and credit. The total of income 2,97,400. The total of credit, total of expenditure 46,000 plus 98,000. Remaining value surplus. How do we find out the surplus? Total income minus total expenditure. Total income minus total expenditure surplus. What is the surplus? 1,53,400. Student, any doubt, any clarification in the surplus? Any doubt, any
No,
clarification?
sir.
Okay. Next will be prepare the balance sheet. How do we prepare the balance sheet? Listen. Here, balance sheet as on 31/3/2020, liabilities, asset. Liabilities, asset. Here, liability side, first we take the capital fund. Where the capital fund? From the old balance sheet. Yeah, they are given old balance, right? Here, what is the final amount? Here, balance amount capital fund. What is the capital fund? 5,25,800. 5,25,800 capital fund. Here will be add. Here will be add surplus. Or the surplus value? 1,53,400. 1,53,400 total. 6,79,200. 6,79,200. So the next one, subscription received in advance, where they are mentioned. Look at the question. In the question they are given for the current year 2019, but we received subscription for 2020. It means subscription received in advance. It's our responsibility. It's our liability. So third person money in our pocket. That's why it will be mentioned where it will be mentioned in liability side. Subscription received in advance. Subscription received in advance. Then asset side what will mention? Then here, look at here what they are given. Here right. In 2018, they have the sum of the assets and the liabilities. Here they are given furniture and equipment. Opening balance in 2018 we have furniture and equipment 3,60,000 to be mentioned here. Furniture and equipment. Furniture and equipment. Opening balance in 2018 we have 3,60,000. Then we purchase one more furniture and equipment we purchased in the current year. What is the value here? Here they are given 2 lakh. We purchase here as per the payment side. Here they are given furniture and equipment. Furniture and equipment 2 lakh will be added here. Opening furniture, add purchase, 2 lakh. The total furniture value 5,60,000. 5,60,000. Again to be deduct here depreciation. What is the value here? For the 3,60,000, the opening furniture, right? Opening furniture 36,000. Again, the 2 lakh, right? Purchase the new furniture. We find out the depreciation for only 6 months. It's 10,000. The total 46,000 to be deduct. 46,000 to be deduct. 5,14,000. 5,14,000. Then look at the receipt and payment account. Listen, opening balance should be mentioned. The opening balance sheet, closing balance. Closing balance should be mentioned. The closing balance sheet. What they are given here? Closing balance sheet would be mentioned as cash in hand. Why? Because receipt and payment account is the summary of cash book. Summary of cash book. What is value here? 1,37,200. 1,37,200 cash in hand. Will be mentioned here. Cash in hand 1,37,200. So what else? Then next will be find out the subscription outstanding. How do we find out the subscription outstanding? Listen, student. Total number of members. Total number of members 90 members. Each member payable for subscription 2,000. So what the total subscription? Total subscription 1,80,000, sir. 1,80,000 for 2020. Out of 1,80,000, out of 1,80,000, look at the here receipt and payment account. Current year, here they are given, right? Current year we received only 1,40,000. Listen, student. Total subscription due 1,80,000, but we received 1,40,000. But the outstanding 1,80,000 minus 1,40,000. Outstanding subscription. We have right to collect the money. It's our rights. That's why mentioned here. Outstanding subscription 40,000. Outstanding subscription 40,000 in the year 2020. Then one more information here they are given. Listen, the adjustment they are given, right? Listen here in the point they are given. And 1st April 2018, following assets and liability here they are given. Here outstanding subscription. Listen, student. Outstanding subscription when 2018 outstanding subscription 30,000. How much? 30,000. Then out of 30,000, out of where they are given, here they are given, right? Out of 30,000, how much amount received? How much amount they received? Look at here. Out of 30,000, look at here in 2018, right? 2018 subscription outstanding 30, but in 2019 we received subscription for 2018 only 24,000. Out of 30,000 we received 24,000. We received 24,000. It means still 6,000 is arrear. Still 6,000 arrear. Any subscription arrear, we have right to collect the money. We have right to collect the money. That's why we mentioned here 6,000. How it arrived at 6,000? Total outstanding 30,000 are. Out of 30,000 we received 24,000. Remaining 6,000 is arrear. So the total outstanding here 2019 6,000, 2020 40, the total 46,000. Total 46,000. Okay, all the account is considered, all the adjustment is over. Then when we find out the total of asset and total of liabilities. Total of asset and total of liabilities. Here 6,79,200 plus 18,000. 6,97,200. Then asset side 1,37,200. 5,14,000 plus 46,000. 6,97,200. Student, any doubt, any clarification? Any doubt, any clarification?
No doubt, sir.
Right. The next and the last question, the 4 mark question. Listen, Srinivas, Sanjay, Srinivas and Sanjay were in partnership, sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 2:1. They admitted Pratish as a new partner. Pratish brought rupees 2 lakh as his share of goodwill. Listen, Pratish, it's a very, very important point. Pratish brought rupees 2 lakh as him share of goodwill. As him share of goodwill. Goodwill premium, which was entirely credited to Srinivas capital account on the date of admission. Goodwill of the firm was valued at rupees 6 lakh. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio. How do we calculate here? At the Pratish goodwill 2 lakh, or the total goodwill 6 lakh. Pratish goodwill 2 lakh. First one we find out the Pratish share of profit. How do we find out? Goodwill brought by Pratish 2 lakh. Total goodwill of the firm 6 lakh. Then Pratish share of profit 2 lakh divided by 6 lakh. If goodwill 6 lakh, Pratish share 2 lakh. So what about the Pratish share of profit? 2 lakh divided by 6 lakh. Remove the 50 here. Remove the 50. Right. So what is the answer here? 2:6. 2:6 means it will be simplified 1:3. Pratish share of profit 1/3. Listen, Pratish share of profit 1/3. At the old profit sharing ratio already they are given 2:1. Already they are given 2:1. Based on will be find out the new profit sharing ratio. Particulars: Srinivas, Sanjay, Pratish. Then here OPR, old profit sharing ratio, for Srinivas 2/3, for Sanjay 1/3. Then would we find out the gain sacrificing ratio? What is sacrificing ratio? Look at the word here. They are given. Pratish brought rupees 2 lakh as him share of goodwill premium, which was entirely, listen, look at very, very important word, which was entirely credited to Srinivas capital. It means all the share is sacrificed only by Srinivas. All the share is only sacrificed by Srinivas. That's why the entire goodwill is credited to Srinivas capital account. That's why here, what is the Pratish capital? Here they are given Pratish are 1/3. The entire 1/3 is sacrificed by Srinivas. What is the NPR, new profit sharing ratio? What is the NPR formula? OPR minus SR. Here SR not here 0. Why? Because entire share is sacrificing by only Srinivas. What is the OPR? 2/3. What is the SR? 1/3. 2/3 minus 1/3. 2/3 minus 1/3. What is the answer here? 2 minus 1. 1. That's why answer 1/3. For Sanjay, okay, here OPR minus SR. OPR 1/3. SR 0. 1 minus 3 minus 0. The same answer. That's why here 1/3. What is the new profit ratio for Pratish? Already here find out. What the value here? 2 lakh divided by 6 lakh. What is the answer? 2/6 or 1/3. The new profit sharing ratio for Pratish 1/3. So what is the answer here? 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. It means 1:1:1. What is the answer here? 1:1:1. Student, any doubt, any clarification?
No doubt, sir.